Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Vlog-O-Ween episode. And in today's video, we're just doing a simple shop with me. I actually am going to be going to go buy some makeup. Not for myself though. Like I'm actually doing a collab with Miss Heather Austin coming up. So I'm gonna be buying her some makeup. So you guys have to check out what we're doing. It's gonna be like a really fun video. She has no idea I'm getting, and I have no idea she's getting me. This is gonna be so much fun. But yeah, come with me to go shopping. I'm gonna go to Ulta. I'm gonna go to Books A Million probably because it's right next door. And then I might even pop over to Sephora to see what all the new makeup is at Sephora right now. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'll be posting all month long to the best of my ability. And today's video should be something super simple. It's just a simple shop with me vlog. So let's get started. There's the Ulta store right there, and then Books A Million right next door. Let's go ahead and go shopping, guys. Hey guys, so I'm doing a voiceover because I got like literally copyrighted strike because the music played in the store. But here I am inside Ulta. I'm just kind of looking at all the drugstore options to see what is available because I'm trying to pick items that Heather does not have. I'm not going to show you everything that I picked for her because I want it to be a genuine surprise. So you guys want to see all the items I picked for her, you just got to head over to her channel. Whenever we do that video, I have no idea when it's coming. But I'm just looking at all the displays right now. I know that she didn't have some products from NYX, so I was like, why not grab something from over here? But I think she might have that foundation. So then I start looking over here. I was like, okay, e.l.f. I know she doesn't have a lot of e.l.f. products, but like what can I grab? This is actually really tricky. Surprisingly enough, it's really hard to buy makeup for somebody who has just as much makeup as me, but I am trying my damn hardest to make sure I get her the best makeup that I can from the drugstore. So I was looking over here at like Maybelline and L'Oreal, and then I was looking over at Revlon, which is right next to the display right here. Also checked out some Winky Lux. I was able to snag a few items, but I didn't get a full face, so I have to go over to Target. Then I was surprised to see that we have Half Magic Beauty here. I have not seen this before in my store, so I got really excited. They also started changing up some of the displays, so they have LA Girl now on this side, which I didn't have before, so it kind of like took me by surprise, but I was able to snag a goodie or two. And then I got really excited because they have the new Smashbox foundation. I love this foundation. It is so freaking good. You will not be disappointed about this. I have to talk about it in my like new makeup releases. I haven't done so yet, but I will. Then I was shocked to see that they had Polite Society in store. Like, what? I was not expecting to see that display, but here it is. Okay, so I didn't get everything I needed at Ulta, so now we're at Books A Million right now, and I love this little like book talk spicy section. Not me looking over here at books that I'm either gonna buy and not read for a while or just not gonna buy, but I'm over here looking like I'm going to. I also just like to look at the new books and see what I want to purchase. Then I go on Amazon and I see if I can find them for like half off because Amazon offers such a better deal. But yeah, here are some of the new books that are on display at Books A Million. Now they have this book sold everywhere when this was sold out for so long. This is the best section to come to because this is the bargain section and you can find like new books in here just because they have a small damage and they're so worth it. Like, look at that. I can get all the Bridgerton series. Sci-fi thrillers over here. I mean, there's so many to choose from. That's why I like coming here because you can find really good books for just a couple bucks. Great condition. They just have a little like mark on them, or they just have an overstock, or they're not selling, so they put them in the bargain section for like $3 to $7. It's such a steal. Okay, so I just left Books A Million and Ulta. It's so awkward to film in Books A Million because it's so dead quiet, and I was like trying really hard to be quiet. But like in Ulta, I wasn't really talking. I was just filming it because I'm just gonna do a voiceover, and the reason being is because last time I did like a shop with me when I was at Bath and Body Works, the music was so loud that it started copyrighting my video. So I'm just gonna do what Leah does, and Leah just does these like amazing like voiceovers. So I'm gonna start just doing the same thing. Voiceovers just might be a little bit easier. So right now I'm on my way to a Sephora, which is literally only like 5 minutes down the road, to see if I can find like the new Patrick Ta holiday set, see what else is new, pick up a couple goodies for myself, and then I gotta run to Target to finish shopping for Heather because I wasn't able to get everything. And the reason why is because my Ulta is kind of limited on what they have for drugstore stuff. We're only doing drugstore makeup for each other. And the drugstore options that they did have for like bronzer, blush, and highlighters, she already had. Like, we're trying to get stuff for each other that we don't have. So I'm on my way to Target because I know what I'm looking for. I just need to have it available, and my Ulta didn't have it available. So if I can't find it at Target, then I might just pop into CVS. I know CVS is amazing, and it's been so long since I went drugstore shopping there. Oh, so freaking long. I feel like it always looks so weird. It's also really weird, like cloudy, like smoggy day. It looks like we have like a fire here, but it's like no fire. I don't know, it's really weird. But yeah, I'm on my way to Sephora right now. I don't know, I probably won't talk in this one, probably just like film, because this Sephora tends to be pretty quiet on the inside, except for like the coworkers like talking. And it's just I'm not comfortable yet vlogging in public. I wish. Like, Leah is amazing at it, and I love like how good she's at it. Me, I get really awkward and shy, and I feel like people just look at me, and I'm scared I'm gonna get yelled at, because I have before. So yeah. All right, gonna go check out Sephora, see what we find. I got super excited because I walked into the store. First thing I see was Rare Beauty, and they have the highlighters back in stock, but I'm gonna wait until they go on sale to try them. Okay, so I was only in there for like 5 minutes. One, they barely had anything in stock. So many shelves were empty. Two, there was a lady that literally would not stop following me around saying, "You sure I can help you find anything?" And I'm like, "No, I'm okay, thank you so much." And then she just kind of like watched what I was doing down each aisle. I'm like, bitch, I'm not here to steal. Like, I'm not gonna steal anything, I promise. I'm just trying to browse. So I didn't feel comfortable pulling out my camera to vlog because she was sitting there just staring at me. So I got like 5 seconds in the store. However, literally right next door, there's a Kohl's. I'm gonna go into the Sephora in there, see if I can find Patrick Ta, see if I have better luck. I did find Rare Beauty, but yeah, I'm better off probably going to the one at Disney Springs, but I don't feel like traveling all the way to Disney today. Even though like I live right near, I just don't feel like going to Disney Springs. So I'm gonna run over to Kohl's, and then we're gonna go to Target, and then gotta clean my beauty room, and then it's gonna kind of wrap up today's video. Very short, easy vlog, guys. All right, let's try round 2. Sephora inside of Kohl's. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll have better luck over here, and I won't be followed around. Okay, so I still have yet to try the Huda Beauty setting powders, and yet here they are. Of course, it's empty, and they didn't have the new Patrick Ta palette. I really wanted to get that, but I'll just wait until the sale. Hopefully they still have it. But I was excited because I saw they had Melt Cosmetics here, but most of the stuff were actually out of stock. Actually, this whole store surprisingly was out of stock. I didn't see any new Urban Decay items in here that I wanted to check out. And then I saw the Give from Gwen Stefani. Again, this one is actually pretty full, but I don't know, I was kind of disappointed. Even like the one star, wow. They had the new blush, but yeah, the store is actually pretty empty. It was actually kind of disappointing. I guess I'll have to just shop online. All right, no luck. They didn't have anything in stock either, and they didn't even have like a Patrick Ta section really. Like, I just want to find the new holiday palette. I might have to just get it online, even though I know Sephora VIP starts on October 27th. If I could just wait, I could get on sale. But I think this is one of those palettes that's selling out like crazy. I was talking to my friend TK, who does work at Sephora, and they said that like this is going off the shelves like hotcakes. And this Sephora didn't have anything either. So my only other option would be to go to the one at Disney Springs. But I'm just going to wait to do that until this weekend with Corey, kind of make more of a day out of it. So right now I'm going to head to Target, and then I'm going to head home. Hopefully I find everything else I need to grab for Heather. I'm not going to show you guys what I got for her because it's going to be a mystery box surprise. So you'll have to watch her video when we do our video. But okay, let's see what Target has to offer. Okay, so I had to stop by the cards because my amazing friend's Mikey's birthday is next week. So I want to get him a really funny birthday card. So I just kind of stopped over here, was kind of browsing through, seeing what I could find. And I definitely found a really funny card that I think he will enjoy. And then of course, while at Target, I went to the book section. This is my favorite section here. They always have amazing deals, and they always have like the newest books here. So I always stop because you just never know. You just never know. And this book right here, the Last to Vanish, I started to read the back of it. I was like, this sounds pretty good, but I wasn't sure. I wasn't really sold on it, so I did put it back down. But I did find some books. It's me. What can I say? Here is some more books right over here. They definitely have changed the display. Like, this is new. This has not been here before. Like, they're adding to it. I don't know if they're kind of condensing down the book section or whatnot, but it's kind of sad. Like, this is where the books used to be, and they're just kind of cutting it down. But they put the new movie Elemental on here if you guys have not seen it. Oh my god, so freaking good. But they condensed it down. Now it's like kind of small. And now we have barely any books over here, but I did snag 2, which you guys will see in a minute. And then I ran over to the makeup section because I have to get Heather her stuff. But look at how big that is. I have not seen a setting spray that big before from Alani. But again, the shelves were kind of empty here. And here's the 2 books that I got. I got 2 books. Okay, guys, bags are secured. I got Heather her goodies, well, her box of makeup. I'm all set there. I picked up 2 books for myself, and now I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go make myself a salad. I'm gonna go play a little bit of Fortnite with James before I clean my beauty room, take care of the dogs. And I have a Zoom chat tonight with my Patreon members, so I'm gonna get ready for that as well. But I'm so excited. We are officially done shopping. It's so funny, not that I have like all this money to spend, but like when I do have, you know, a little bit to spend, I can never find anything, right? But when I have no money to spend, that's when I find everything in the world. Oh my God, it works like this every time. It's so annoying, but yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna go play some little Fortnites with James. I'm gonna have some lunch, hang out with the dogs, clean my room, which you guys are gonna see. This is like supposed to be like a shop with me vlog, but now it's just kind of turning into just hang out with me for the day style vlog. But hey, you know what? This is part of the Vlog-O-Ween series, and I'm enjoying it. It's also something a little different for me because I don't want to do makeup every day. So it's a little nice, something a little different. And besides, I like doing vlogs, even though I suck at it. I really like doing it. So I'll see you guys in a few. I'm dying. I am dying. This cheese right here, it doesn't expire until the end of the month, but it had a really nasty smell to it. So I tried a piece of it, just make sure. Y'all, it's gone bad. It's gone bad. And I fucking poured it in my salad. Fuck, what do I do? Am I still out? I mean, I got rid of as much of it as I could, but I think there's still like some pieces left. I don't know what to do. Oh, I feel like I need to just get rid of the salad. I have a new salad. Disgusting. I don't even see mold in here, but oh God. That was so bad. So bad. Oh, I think I'm turning off the cheese now. You know, I'm lactose intolerant. I think I'm turning off the cheese because that was... Oh, I'll never forget that smell and taste. Okay, so right now I'm hopping on to Fortnite with James. We're going to play a little bit, and then I have all that to clean up. I have to do that today, and I have to organize some makeup for giveaways, but I have all that to clean up. But until then, we're gonna play some Fortnite because I just want to. Since I'm doing Vlog-O-Ween and posting every day, this is my little break in between filming. You know, I'm doing a vlog and I'm still filming. It's just different. So yeah, let's go and play some Fortnite. James and I just got a victory! Woo! Yeah, look at this! We got victories! Woo, 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 woo! Alright guys, so I currently am walking the dogs right now. It's about 3:30. This is Kohl's, and then we have Miss Kaya's. We just gotta get them to go poo-poos, and then I'm gonna go back and play a little bit more before my Zoom chat tonight. And then I think it's gonna wrap up the vlog. I was gonna do a clean my beauty room with me, but I think what I'm gonna do instead is I think I'm gonna save that video for tomorrow, because instead I would really like to do like a clean and organize with me, organize all the new makeup that I got, set aside stuff for like videos, giveaways, and just kind of show you guys all the organization. I know that Paige does this for her channel, and I love her videos. She's always so good about that, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I am done playing Fortnite right now. I am about to actually feed my dogs. I'm ready to jump on to Zoom with my Patreon members, but this was just kind of like spending the day with me. Probably not as eventful as we might have thought it would have been, because shopping did not turn out the way I thought I was going to do. Like, I thought I was going to have like a lot more options for shopping, but Sephora was just empty both locations I went, and Ulta didn't have a lot of things, and then Target had some things. But I'm gonna try to go to Sephora this weekend, but I wanted to just do like an every like day. This is my life. Like, this is just how my life is today. Spend the day with me. But I have to say, it has been incredibly fun. I've gotten to play Fortnite for a couple hours with James, and you know, I've had a really rough month mentally. Like, I really have had a rough month mentally and physically and emotionally, and I've had really bad anxiety over the last month, and just playing today for a couple hours with James just truly made me feel good. I had such a great day today and I didn't have anxiety and it just felt so good. And I absolutely love James. He is phenomenal. If you guys want to go check him out, I have him linked down below. But he's a good friend of mine and he just like really just helped me get me out of my funk and just playing with him for hours. I got to eat food because I haven't really been eating much, which has been really nice. And I've just been enjoying it. Like this was exactly what I needed and I'm beyond grateful for it. So James, thank you so much for making this a great day. I've had the best time, but I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this very easy, lighthearted Vlog-O-Ween, where I'll be back again tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna do like a makeup organization / beauty room clean. And then on Thursday, you guys will see how I decorate my backdrop. Friday will be new makeup releases, and then we're gonna get back into putting on makeup. This just kind of just spaces things out. I'm not putting on makeup every day. I'm not reviewing something every day, and it just keeps things spicy all month long. So with that said, guys, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. If you guys like this video, please give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already, so I do post every day in the month of Vlog-O-Ween. And the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.